What a mess.
We're going in the coop. Snow's starting to melt, so time to get them out. There's a few things we want to do in here before we put them in.
We want to get new this in here.
New wood shavings. We got to get all that stuff out first.
Yeah.
Oh man. There's water. I gotta see if I can get Jesus in so I can shut that door. Hey,
Do you want me to put these wood chips in there?
What?
Do you want me to put these up underneath the thing, or?
That's fine. You gotta get Jesus in. Hey, we'll get you in and shut that.
Yep. I'm gonna shut it now, so she'll just go in there. Just tell me when she's in. Door closed.
That's time for them to go in. They're all in, and we'll leave them shut in here for, I'll probably leave them in there for 48 hours, and then we'll be able to open it up, and by then, Jesus will have them whipped it into shape and part of the flock.
What do you put them in there for 48 hours?
That way when they're older, they know to come back in here. That way, like when the sun goes down, they'll know this is their home. That's where they belong. And when they get to laying, this will be where they want to lay. This will be like their safe place. Yeah. It's starting to warm up, but we can still get some cold days and some cold nights. So we actually mixed some chicken scratch in with our chicken pellets. So yeah, this is our mixture. It's 2 to 1.
What do you think?
So we got this right here is the layer pellets. See these right here? It's layer pellets. And then we have some scratch grains. That's more of this stuff. Mostly cracked corn is really what it is, but it's got a few oats and stuff like that in there. That's mostly scratch grains. And then more layer pellets. scratch greens. Just mix it all up. Come on, stir it up there, Sassy.
What do you think? Not yet.
Dude, did you have more?
Nope, that's it. We got 7 more bags. I'm just joking. You want to trade? You dig down and flip it over.
What is on?
Here, dig down. Pull it to the top. See how you're pulling the corn to the top?
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Oh, easy. Just flip it out.
She's pouring more out than she's.
Yeah, here. All you do is raise it and then flip it over. Nice start. Beautiful.
Boo, please don't dump it out.
Scooper.
Scooper. Lid.
Lid.
Done?
Now, chicken scratch doesn't have much protein in it, so if you kind of want to equate it to the junk food that we would be eating, it's not something that they should probably be eating every day, but it does take a lot more to digest, so it kind of warms their bodies up. That's why we use this mix in the wintertime. Plus, we're not really that concerned with egg productions in the winter, so, and with these being new chicks, they're not going to be laying eggs anyway, so we have no problems mixing it, and as the time goes on, we'll just keep adding more and more to it, so that eventually really it'll be down to maybe 10%, if that, and then eventually that we'll just cut that completely out and then start this back up in the wintertime.